Welcome to AlphaGuru's weekly market recap. Here is a factual summary of what happened in Indian markets from 28th July to 1st August 2026. Nifty 50 gained 617 points this week, rising 2.59% to close at 24,380. Nifty Bank added 501 points, up 1.01%. Closing at 57,265. India VIX fell sharply, down 16.18% to 11.76, its lowest level in several weeks. Market breadth was clearly positive with 118 advances against just 32 declines on the last trading day. All six sectors tracked this week closed in the green. The IT index led the way, gaining 6.75%. Auto followed with a gain of 5.61%. Pharma rose 3.86%. Smallcap 100 added 2.46%. Realty gained 2.23%. And Midcap 100 closed up 2.10%. Among weekly top gainers from the Nifty 50, Bajaj Finance led with a gain of 12.68%. Jio Financial rose 9.27%. Infosys gained 8.57%. Bajaj Finserv added 8.1%. And Eternal Limited closed up 8.02%. On the losing side, Bharat Electronics fell 4.23%. Adani Ports declined 4.06%. Coal India was down 3.10%. ONGC fell 2.5%. And HUL closed lower by 2.04%. Now, the top corporate stories of the week. The National Stock Exchange settled its long-running co-location and dark fiber cases with SEBI paying a total of rupees 1,491 crore. Larsen & Toubro secured three major orders this week. A 2 gigawatt offshore wind farm in the Netherlands valued at over rupees 15,000 crore, a contract from Kuwait Oil Company worth up to rupees 5,000 crore, and a notice to proceed for a 1,600 megawatt thermal power plant. Astra Microwave Products received an order of Rs 2,205 crore from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for 20 Uttam AESA radar systems for the Tejas Mk-1A aircraft. The stock hit a record high. Adani Ports is reported to be considering the acquisition of Associated British Ports, the United Kingdom's largest port operator. Mahindra & Mahindra continued its Swaraj Engines merger and transferred its truck and bus division to SML Mahindra for rupees 525 crore. The company targets doubling manufacturing capacity by FY31. Bank of Baroda reported an employee email system hack along with a customer data leak involving Aadhaar details. Core banking systems were confirmed as unaffected. Dixon Technologies reported Q1 FY27 profit that tripled year-on-year, one of the standout results of this earnings season. Bajaj Finance reported Q1 core income up 23% year-on-year with stable asset quality. Indian Oil Corporation reported a net loss of rupees 2,661 crore in Q1 FY27 attributed to lower marketing margins. All oil marketing companies reported losses during April and May. Inox Wind secured a rupees 1,600 crore order from NLC India for wind turbine supply, installation and commissioning. Thermax reported an 83% year-on-year fall in Q1 profit despite higher revenue. The stock fell 16%. Hyundai Motor India reported Q1 profit after tax down 35% on flat revenue. The stock recovered 7% after the company reaffirmed its FY27 volume guidance. Global Health, operating under the Medanta brand, announced a capital expenditure of rupees 2,000 to 2,500 crore to add 2,000 beds over the next 4 to 5 years, taking total capacity to 5,000 beds. Sterlite Technologies announced rupees 1,500 crore in capital expenditure over 3 years to expand optical fiber manufacturing driven by artificial intelligence data center demand. Maruti Suzuki's Gujarat facility became India's largest car production site following the commissioning of its fourth plant at Hansalpur. Total annual capacity now stands at 1 million vehicles. Lupin received United States FDA approval for generic Sugomadex injection in 200 milligram and 500 milligram vials. State Bank of India raised rupees 4,691 crore through additional Tier 1 bonds at a coupon rate of 7.75%, strengthening its Basel III capital base. Vedanta announced a further demerger of its real estate business and appointed Arun Misra as Chief Executive Officer for a one-year term. Infosys was fined Euro 1.75 lakh by Francis Kinnell for GDPR non-compliance. Separately, Jefferies added the company to its model portfolio following an IT sector upgrade. Graphite India faces a preliminary countervailing duty of 3.68% imposed by the United States on its graphite electrode exports. That is your Alpha Guru weekly market recap for the week of 28 July to of August 2026. All information is sourced from BSE corporate filings and published financial news. This is factual market news only, not investment advice. Follow TradeForge Alpha for daily market updates.